What's going on, everybody? Chuck with VMP Performance, and today we've got my 2019 Mustang GT strapped on the dyno, and we've got comp cams here in the house. So we actually just did a set of cams in this car, and they're a new set of cams that comp has been developing with VMP, and Eric's going to tell you a little bit about them.
This is a continuation of our FSL series of camshafts. So they are under research and development currently, with the goal being to be drop-in camshafts, no tune required. Obviously better with a tune once somebody like VMP gets a hold of it. And pass 50 state emissions, be carb legal, get the sticker, and keep everything EPA and green and happy.
So we're going to get this thing going. We're going to get Joe on the laptop, cook up some horsepower, and see what we can make. All right, everybody, so we just got done with the car on the dyno. We drove it from the shop, put it on the dyno. We went from 441 horsepower in our baseline pool to 455 horsepower, just dropping the cams in. We had Joe work a little magic on the laptop, picked up an additional 5, jumping it to 460, just tweaking the intake cam timing. All right, so pretty impressive results. What do you think, Aaron?
I was very happy with the results. We picked up some solid power there on the cams. They were pretty much a drop-in deal, little to no tuning required. These are obviously not our top horsepower option. These are going to be designed with the intent of being able to pass emissions, be 50 state legal and carb certified with a little bit more further testing. But if you want more horsepower, we got that camshaft too. We can do that, no problem.
Awesome, man. Well, thanks again for comp coming out here. Don't forget to follow us on all our socials, guys. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our Facebook page, follow us on Instagram. And if you're looking for a set of cams for your car, VMP has them. Give us a call at sales and support. We'll take care of you.